How to activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card. The first things first is of course choose whether if it's only specifically for a prepaid SIM card or you're trying to insert it on a prepaid phone. So if it is going to be for prepaid phones, then this is going to be your steps. Now pick your current device, customize your prepaid. This is your current plan that you want to choose, and then choose your actual plan, review your card, made a payment, and it will automatically activate by itself. Now, if you would like to use a physical prepaid SIM card, then all you have to do is insert it either to the left or right portion of your phone, depending on your phone make and model. Now, once you have inserted it, your phone will detect it, send you via SMS on all the instructions needed for you to be able to activate it. Activating it is just around the corners. All you have to do is make sure that you follow all the steps that was given from that SMS. And that's it. That's how you activate AT&T prepaid SIM card.